And what is the procedure you need to have attained 70% marks in PCM, something like that?
No, so there is merit list on the basis of JEE main rank.
Okay.
JEE.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have with us another DDA Diamond, Shivam, who has qualified for the Navy Tech examination. He will be starting his training from January 2025, and today he will be sharing his experience with us, how he decided to choose Navy as a career option and then particularly a technical scheme. So welcome Shivam.
Oh, thank you, sir.
First of all, huge congratulations to you for achieving such a feat.
Thank you, sir.
So we will start from the beginning, Shivam. What motivated you to join the armed forces and particularly Navy?
So my father is serving in army, and he is retired from army from Havaldar rank, and is currently in DSC Air Force. So he has served for 30 years in the army. So since childhood, I have lived in the culture of defense forces, and I have seen how the defense culture works around. So I have always been motivated, and I have always been curious to also serve in the same forces as in my father, because army or any other forces in the defense forces, they give you respect and honor, and also sir, we get to serve our nation also. So this was my biggest motivation.
That proud to wear a uniform,
yes,
and you got inspiration from your family.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Tell us about your from place where you hail and about your studies. Yes. Tell us something.
So I belong to Ghazipur, Uttar Pradesh.
Ghazipur.
And so I have grown up in Delhi only since 2009, and I have done my class 10th and 12th from Air Force Bal Bharati School, Lodhi Road. And so after the basic schooling, I got recommended in the Navy Tech attempt.
In Navy Tech.
Yes.
And what is more difficult? Like Navy Tech, you get selection on the basis of JEE main.
Yes,
so
sir.
is there any examination, any entrance examination for Navy Tech?
No, sir. There is a merit list on the basis of your JEE main rank. So if you are below under a certified rank, you get a call letter for SSB, and so you can go for the SSB.
Then you have to appear for the SSB.
Yes.
And how different the SSB of Navy Tech is that from NDA?
So the SSB process is whole same. The entry doesn't matter whether it is NDA, CDS, Navy Tech, TGC or TES. The SSB process is totally same, and the officers check for your 15 OLQs, and if you have it in you, you get recommended.
You must have in you.
Yes.
And from which board you were recommended? You are recommended,
yes.
Shivam?
So I was recommended from 12th SSB Bangalore.
And you will be starting your training from January,
yes,
right?
Sir.
So Shivam, tell us about your strategy. How did you prepare for your SSB and for your JEE examination?
Yes, sir.
Tell us about your strategy so that the students who are willing to prepare for the ND and other examination like Navy Tech,
yes,
can you share your strategies with us?
Yes, sir. So coming to JEE main examination is all about consistency and hard work. So basically your basic concepts must be clear in all the three subjects, physics, maths and chemistry, to get a good rank in JEE main, so that you get a call letter for SSB. And so then coming to SSB, I prepared for psychology tests, I practiced pictures, words, I've given mock tests of SRTs, and also prepared a self description for myself, and this helped me a lot. And so for interview, I took help from my friend to take my mock interviews. I prepared CIQs well, and also the Doon Defense Academy also helped me for my interview. And I got familiar with most of the questions, and it was easy for me to tackle in the interviews. And so coming for the GTO part, which is majority of our SSB process, because GTO tasks, there are 2 days especially dedicated to the GTO tasks. So for GTO tasks, first of all, you should be physically fit. So you should do basic exercise daily, and also for GTO tasks, your first priority should always be the group, and contribute as much as you can for the group. So this was my strategy.
Oh, that is a great, nice strategy.
Yes,
and speaking of Doon Defense Academy, how much it contributed to your success, Shivam?
So the Doon Defense Academy has significantly contributed in this journey.
Got that simulated environment which you face in SSB interview board?
Yes,
like, you got that simulated environment?
Yes, sir.
Any message you want to give to the aspirants, future aspirants who want to join Navy, particularly Navy Tech?
I would only recommend you to work hard, focus first of all on your JEE main examination. It is very important because the competition is increasing day by day, so you must be consistent and hardworking. And coming to SSB, in SSB, just be honest, don't take too much stress and enjoy the process, and don't try to put a fake image of yourself and be real and honest.
Be real and honest. And one last question I ask all the students who come here.
Yes, sir.
What is better mode of preparation, online coaching and offline coaching, in your opinion? Opinion may differ,
Yes,
but
sir.
in your opinion, what is better option?
So in my opinion, I believe it is the offline coaching which
Offline
is better,
coaching.
because like you are in front of assessor or a teacher, so you get personalized attention of the teacher, and also you're focused in the class, and you don't get distracted by any other activities which usually occurs in our houses.
In houses, you don't
Yes,
get
sir.
those distractions
Yes,
in
sir.
the offline
Yes, sir.
coaching. So thank you, Shivam. All the best for your training
Yes,
and
sir.
for your future.
Thank
this
you,
was this was Shivam, and we are proud that we have shared his part of journey in the Doon Defense Academy. Until next video, stay tuned.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.